Pisces, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity, all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illness, physical ailments are at an all-time high, plaguing us at the age of an all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my Fountain of Youth technique. But before that, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is a new opening, a new path, a new door. A new plant is actually blossoming that you didn't realize is going to actually blossom as strong as it has. If you have 5 plants, that's 5 gifts, 5 talents, 5 different things that you've been actually harvesting and figuring out what is going to work for you first. Well, look at that plant that you didn't realize is blossoming, and I want you to focus on that, and that may be your first step to going into your breakthroughs, and everything else just falls right into place. But work with what works you. Take the opportunity that shows itself to you first, shine, do your best, and watch how you can complement that. When one door closes, I'm confident another will open, and it is for my betterment. I accept that life brings changes, and I acknowledge the opportunity and learning it presents to me. And serenity comes from within. Because once you learn that life is just training you to be a stronger being, life is what's way wiser than we are. And we may not know why we're going through situations and certain situations, but we are going through them for our betterment, for our strength, because blessings, as we say, carry their own weight. And life is actually preparing you for a huge blessing for you to maintain it. It'll be like a feather, not like a ball and chain, where you can maintain it, rain, sleet, or snow, and enjoy your life. Love one another, be kind to one another, love yourself. I love you too.